1, 2, 3, come on!
Come on, come on.
Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel, Rizal Delightful Lessons. In this episode, I will guide you on how to create an interactive quiz using PowerPoint presentation. We will utilize animations, of course, and actually this is the first part of the 2 episodes for this tutorial. So let's start. Enjoy learning! Okay, so first you need to open a new Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So you go back here, so you may open. But since I have already started making this one, dito na lang po tayo mag-start. Okay, so let us have a new slide. Then you remove this one, you highlight and then delete. Then next is you need to use the insert. Then you go to shapes, then you select shape like this, so I will be using this one. Then I will input my question here. So for your questions, you can also gather from your previous files, or before you make your PowerPoint presentation, you have at least made your questions so that you can just copy and paste here. So um, here, or if you are good at formulating your questions immediately here, you can also do that. So it depends on your capacity or your ability to make questions or construct your questions. Okay, so I have here already. This is where I will put my stem, my question. Then you insert also, or here you can format it. Then shape outline, select no outline. Or you may also change the color of this one by using this. So it depends on your choice. So maybe I can use that one because it it complements or it blends with this color. Then since the standards for multiple choice is 4 choices, so we will have to, okay, then 4, then we change the color to distinct. These are the options, so you can again select whatever color you wish to use for your choices. So let's use this one, and then you can also duplicate this one. So Control D, and then another Control D, since we have 4, and then another Control D. Then so we have now. Then again, yeah, you need to use no outline. So pwedeng ginawa sana kanina pero nakalimutan ko na. So shape outline, no outline. Then here, so you can start now writing your questions. So for example, my question is all about sound devices. So since this is our first lesson for the first quarter in English 6, so let me just use it now. And you may use insert and text box, or you may also right click, then edit text, then you can select. For example, 1, this is, or this sound device means the repetition, or device means the repetition of initial consonant sound. And then triple click para ma-highlight lahat. So I am giving you, for pag dalawa lang, yun lang. Pero pag gusto niyo i-highlight lahat, tatlong click. 1, 2, 3. And then, pwede niyo palitan na yung size na dito. So, gawin natin siguro. Yan, visible na siya. So, this sound device means the repetition of initial consonant sounds. So, pwede niyo rin itong palitan kung ano gusto niyo yung font color. So, dyan. So, para visible yan siguro. Next is choices natin. So, again, you right click, or you may also use insert and then text box, but let us use this one. A, onomatopoeia, and then edit it, 66, then change the color, pwedeng dark blue, then letter B is alliteration, and then again triple click, and then change it para lahat sila 66. So hindi na po kayo nakuha. Then palitan ulit to. Then again right click, letter C, we have consonants. And then palitan niya yung size 66 din. Then palitan para consistent. Then right click, letter D, assonance. Then 66. Okay, so yan na, meron na tayong mga choices. So pwede na tayong mag-start na mag-animate. Pwede nyo yan, niya dito. So dito na siya magiging interactive. So first ay eto muna. So pwede nating i-highlight to, gamitin natin yung animation para ano natin, fly in. Okay. Next, dito tayo mag-animate. So start tayo ng animation. Gamitin natin, you focus on emphasis. So yung emphasis ay punta tayo sa fill color. So yan. And then i-click nyo to, punta kayo sa animation pane, and then click nyo to. Then punta na kayo sa effect options. Then for the effect options, punta kayo dito sa timing. Then sa timing, gawin natin, wala kayong gagawin sa timing. Punta lang kayo sa triggers, and then click start. Then since ano siya, letter A, i-click nyo yung letter A dito. And then okay. So meron na tayo. Next, punta tayo sa letter B. So, eto yung tamang sagot. So, gagawin natin, i-animate din natin the same. Punta kayo sa animation, emphasis, and then fill color. Then, i-click nyo to. Then, punta kayo sa effect options. And then, since eto yung tamang sagot niya, so, papalitan natin ito ng green para at least alam natin na ito yung tamang sagot. So, yun yung tamang sagot ha. And then, punta kayo sa timing. Then, wala kayo munang gagawin dyan. And then, triggers. Punta kayo sa start. Effect on click off. So, since siya ay option B, so, i-click nyo tong B. And then, okay. So, tignan nyo mag-green siya. Next, eto naman, punta na tayo sa letter C. The same. So, i-click nyo ulit tong animation, punta kayo sa emphasis, and then fill color. The same color din, wag nyo nang palitan yan, and then i-click nyo to, punta kayo sa effect options, and then ganyan na yung kulay niya. Or pwede nyo namang palitan, basta pare-parehas yung mga incorrect answers. And then, punta kayo sa timing, then triggers, then start, then since letter C siya, i-click nyo tong letter C. So, rectangle, rounded corner, 6 na letter C. Then, click OK. So, okay na rin siya. Then, punta naman tayo sa letter D. And then, the same process, punta kayo dito sa animations, you focus on emphasis, and click fill color. Then, after the fill color, makikita nyo yan. Click ulit, punta kayo dito, makikita nyo naman yung may-edit nyo because eto yung na-highlight siya. So, click nyo to, then effect options, then the same because this is incorrect answer, and then punta lang kayo sa timing, and then punta na tayo dito sa triggers, start effect on click, then click ninyo since option D siya, i-click nyo tong rectangle, rounded corner 7D, and then okay. And pwede nyo to now, tignan natin, i-play natin dito, play all. Ayan. So, meron na tayong animation na first. So, yan na yung pinaka first part of this tutorial. So, I will show you kung paano ito magkakaroon ng another interaction din sa mga bata para magiging interactive siya. So, try na nga natin i-slideshow from the beginning. So, malalaman mo ninyo na pwedeng i-click na ng bata if ganito siya. Yung nakikita niyo yung cursor, nag-iba na siya na parang kamay. So, yaan, pipili na lang sila dyan. So, for example, yaan. Yan. Yan. And then, yan yung correct answer. Pero, sa susunod na video, I will show you kung paano lalabas yung correct answer niyan in a given time para at least meron pang ibang mangyayari or iba pang interactive na effect niya dun sa bata. So, they can answer this one under time pressure. So, yun yung susunod na video. So, sana ay meron kayong natutunan ngayon ulit sa aking video on how to create your interactive quiz using PowerPoint presentation. So, meron na po tayo dito. So, this sound device means the repetition of initial sound, consonant sound. This is letter B, alliteration. So, next time ulit.